Hi guys, it's Alan from Curry's here, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we like about the LG OLED B3 TV. It makes old shows and movies look better, you get a true-to-life picture, and it gives you a full-on cinematic experience at home. I'm going to head over to the lab now so that we can look at this TV in a little bit more detail. You always get the best possible picture and sound with everything that you watch. It has this really clever processor. LG are calling it the Alpha 7 AI Processor Gen 6, which is a bit of a mouthful, but it is really clever stuff. What it does is it upscales the content. So it'll take a film or a TV series that might be in HD, but it's not top-notch quality, and it'll upscale it to 4K. So what that means is, you can watch some of your favourite shows in an entirely new way. And you get a picture that's deeper and more realistic, with sharp details and a rich contrast, as well as bright colours. With LG's self-lit OLED, every single pixel behind that screen is independently controlled. That means everything is so precise, and it creates these deep dark blacks and these wonderful bright lights right next to each other. And you get the complete package, which is perfect for movie nights. The combination of sharp pictures and immersive sound really does give the big screen feel, with Dolby Atmos bringing cinematic sound and taking you right to the centre of the action. And if you'd like more information about this LG TV, you can pop into store, head online, or you can speak with one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.